In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a HubSpot sales dashboard. This guide will walk you through the entire process, ensuring you have all the information you need to successfully set up a dashboard tailored to your sales metrics and goals. We're going to start by logging into HubSpot. Once you're logged in, navigate over to the Sales tab, and from there, select Sales Workspace. This is your central hub for managing sales activities, and it's where you'll find the tools you need to track and analyze sales data. In the top right corner of your screen, you'll notice a button labeled Create Dashboard. Click this button to begin setting up your new dashboard. At this stage, you have the option to choose from a range of pre-built templates. HubSpot offers templates such as Sales Dashboard and Sales Pipeline Overview, which are excellent starting points if you want to quickly get a dashboard up and running. However, if you're looking for something more customized, feel free to start with a blank dashboard. This flexibility allows you to tailor the dashboard to your specific sales metrics and reporting needs. Once you've selected a template or decided to start from scratch, it's time to give your dashboard a name. A descriptive name, like Sales Performance Dashboard, can be particularly useful, especially if you plan on creating multiple dashboards. This helps ensure that you and your team can easily identify and access the dashboard later. Next, you'll be adding, removing, or rearranging reports, also known as widgets. These are the visual building blocks of your dashboard. HubSpot offers a variety of report types, such as charts and lists, that allow you to display your data in a way that's meaningful to your team. You can also filter data to create specific views, catering the dashboard to meet your exact needs. This feature is particularly powerful, enabling you to hone in on the metrics that matter most for tracking your sales strategy and goals. Remember, your sales dashboard is a dynamic tool. As your business priorities change, you can revisit your dashboard to adjust the reports and metrics you're tracking. This ongoing adaptability helps you keep your sales strategy agile and responsive to market demands. By the end of this process, you'll have created a comprehensive sales dashboard that not only keeps you updated on your team's performance, but also empowers you with insights for strategic decision-making. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out more of our guides to make the most of your HubSpot experience.